Hello there, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh, and every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So in today's video, we're going to discuss what is the meaning of the American dream. Now, for my subscribers in the United States, or sometimes those outside the United States, we all know what the American dream is, but for certain people, you might not know what the American dream stands for. Well, the American dream is just an ideal that anyone, regardless of your race, your color, your background, can aspire to achieve certain things in life, such as, having a home, having a family, having a nice car, having a great job, having a great education, etc. So that's the reason why most people flock to the United States of America in order to attain the American dream, because America is the land of opportunity. Now, it doesn't mean there aren't opportunities in other countries, but America is one of the greatest experiments out there in human civilization that offers you opportunity to aspire to great success, regardless of your upbringing, regardless of your political leaning, regardless of your stature in society. Okay, everybody has a chance to achieve success. Unfortunately, what normally happens is most people never achieve this because of lack of knowledge, and sometimes it's not the fault of the people because they are listening to the wrong people, or they are just not aware. Most people can be book smart, but just not aware of what it really takes, okay, to achieve the American dream. Now, the American dream means a lot to different people. Okay, for some people it might be the opportunity to be able to own a home, or it might be an opportunity to go to college, or it might be an opportunity to build wealth, which is what I'm all about. Okay, I'm all about creating wealth. Okay, living a good life, staying healthy, contributing to society. So that's what it means to me. So American dream can mean different things to different people. However, in this context, when you hear the American dream, we're talking about having the opportunity to achieve your goals, or whatever your goals are. Now, unfortunately, most people get sucked into the wrong narrative. Okay, unfortunately, we're told to go to school, get a great education, which is part of the American dream, and then end up owning a home, getting a great job, starting a family, and then you get sucked into the rat race, which most of us end up in. And because of lack of knowledge, knowing that you can never be wealthy, or you can never really truly achieve the American dream unless you do things for yourself. Okay, you are responsible for your future, you are responsible for your destiny. So you cannot rely on the government, you cannot rely on your politicians to get you where you need to go. So it's very important that you change your mindset, even if you're pursuing the American dream. But you got to understand that there are certain things you have to know in order for you to be able to achieve your goals or achieve the American dream. So the American dream comes at a price. Now, are you willing to pay that price? That's something you need to ask yourself. I know there are certain subscribers who are outside the United States right now, and what they see is the marketing on TV and stuff promoting certain things in America. It doesn't mean that's how we all live in America. Okay, it's not like in the musicals or the videos you see with the rappers and all these entertainers, and everybody outside the United States thinks everybody is having a great time, just like in the videos. Contrary to that, you have to work really hard when you're in the United States. Some people have multiple jobs just to make ends meet, because it's very expensive to live in the United States. So if you are outside the United States and you're thinking of relocating to the United States, unless you have the means, it's going to be very difficult for you to truly achieve the American dream, because there are lots of obstacles that you'll have to overcome and barriers that you'll have to overcome. in order to achieve the so-called American dream. So I hope you found value in this video. I'm not trying to put down the American dream. I also came here for the American dream, and America has been wonderful to me. America has been great to me. You know, so it depends on what you want out of America. Okay, America will reward you if you work hard and also if you work smart. It's not just the physical, work, but you also have to work smart. You have to know how to leverage your resources and also know how to use your resources. And it all comes down to, making sure that you are financially literate. Okay, you can have all the PhDs and master's degrees and doctorates, but if you don't master personal finance, you're gonna forever stay broke and you always forever work for someone. So you want to make sure that you get the right financial knowledge and get yourself financially literate so that you can overcome obstacles and create wealth for you and for your family. And I hope you found value in this video. And as usual, if you found value, make sure you smash that thumbs up button and also hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so YouTube will notify you of my latest video. So I just want to wish you all the best. Stay tuned for the next video coming up. Like I said, my videos are going to be alternating between, the personal finance and wealth creation videos and also the health and lifestyle videos. So I hope you like this. So let me know in the comments down below what videos you like or what topics you like me to discuss, and I'll do my best to bring it up. Okay, so thank you so much, and I'll catch you in my next video coming up. Take care. Bye bye.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be